Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdullah Al Mamun. My ID is 121-33-862. My presentation's topic is microwaves. Here is the total outline about the microwaves. Microwaves some frequency and wavelength. For long wave 30 to 300 kHz. Similarly, medium and short waves. Microwaves. Radio equipments are classified under the VHF, UHF and microwaves. VHF and UHF radio used when few circuits are needed and narrow bandwidth. Earlier equipments were large in size and used analog technology. Recently, digital radio with the better efficiency is being used. A century of antennas from the Hertz to handheld. Hertz invented by the Heinrich Hertz and antennas invented by the Marconi in 1905. Microwave used. Microwave used basically lower bands are already occupied and now we have the better electronics and modulation schemes. It has some advantages. Antennas are more directive, better beam control, wider operating bandwidth and smaller size elements. Microwaves basically control over some systems. Microwaves communication system and radio transmission. Microwave communication system is line of the side radio communication for directive antennas and broadcasting with the mini-directional antennas. Radio transmission. The space signal are converted to the EM power of transmitted in space towards destination. EM waves are the intercepted by the receiving antennas and signal power is collected. Antennas have some types, like as mini-directional, directional and highly directional. At the mini-directional, in this case, radio power is transmitted uniformly in all directions. Such types of antenna are the preferred where the uniform coverage is desired, such in cellular system. Directional in case of the UHF communication system. Highly directional in case of microwave communication. Microwave signals are transmitted in very narrow beam, normally 3-meter diameter antenna at 2 GHz bandwidth has half power of about 3 degrees beam width. Radio communication system. Radio communication system is in use since early 30 years ago. First was used the broadcasting, then the commercial communication. Radio used for the long distance telephone service and many phone lines are connected to an exchange and many exchange to a tower. Here is the database antennas pictures. Finally we reach the progress like as is more pictures. Why do you need the recombinable antennas? For this limited space and volume, trend and further miniaturization. More service means the more antennas, many are not used to the same time. Then we discuss that final stage, that's progress, and conformal antennas for the computers. New materials and new exotic materials have been recently developed. Still technology and many others can benefit. Thank you sir. Thank you. See my presentation. Assalamu alaikum.